Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si TKTP Vlog.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
So i-unbox natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. Guys, makita na impact wrench. So guys, may kasama siyang dalawang battery.
Hindi, wow.
Tapos charger. Fast charger.
Pwede na!
At yung remote.
Oh my God! Wow!
So guys, si seller is legit. Thank you for watching.